My name is Ray Manacsa. I teach at the University of the South in Tennessee in the United States, and I am a specialist in international law, international relations, and international human rights, and I'm very glad to be here at ZIF. The opportunity that ZIF has provided us to actually allow international scholars and local scholars to come together and think about some real world problems. I think it's always very difficult to get scholars together. And so the fact that ZIF was able to provide that opportunity is really outstanding. But I also love my colleagues. They're all global experts in their fields. And just the ability to be open to ideas, concepts, and theories is really exciting and amazing to me. The biggest challenge has to be trying to make sure that we're speaking a common language because the concepts varies per discipline. So for example, the way I use certain terms in international law and international relations, for example, terms like state, terms like democracy, seems to be, can be different from other disciplines. And so really using some time to sort of like explain what you mean by terms, I think is the biggest challenge in interdisciplinary work, at least as I experience it here in Bielefeld. Yes. I've been here 3 weeks, right? Almost. Yes, almost. But I think probably some adjustments that I would make would be like probably spending more time actually on that first few days on establishing the common language. I think it becomes easier when you get a sense or handle of how people use certain concepts or terms. And I think that is the most important one. If you can get that baseline, everything else goes really well. Number one is please make a proposal. I think the location is outstanding. I would also like to tell that the staff, everybody here at SIF has been very helpful and supportive. Every morning they smile a lot and they generally will provide with you to the best of their abilities what you need. And we experienced that really personally. We have a lot of materials that we need for the sessions that we have, and they essentially gave us everything that we needed, including virtual communication with outside experts around the world. So it's a great, great opportunity. Yes, absolutely. So, for example, the question that we have is on the right to housing. And generally, as an international law specialist, I tend to look at it in terms of international regulations, international law, international responsibilities. But then in the group was an architect, and then she said to me like, well, how about design, right? And then there was an organizational theorist, and the organizational theorist told me that even the best designed organizations can have problems just because we are dealing with humans. Those are really perspectives that I would never probably have considered in a room full only of international law specialists. So I now have a more probably holistic approach to real world issues, and I'm grateful for that because I have that experience here in ZIF. So thank you.